In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Shopify Support Easy tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to reach a real person if you need help. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Shopify website. If you land on the Philippines version, that's perfectly fine. The steps are the same. On the home page, look for the support option in the top navigation and click it. This takes you to Shopify's support area, where you may see several product choices. Choose Shopify to focus on help for the core platform, and continue through until you see the Shopify Help Center link. Click Shopify Help Center to open the dedicated support site. You're now on help.shopify.com. Front and center, you'll see a search bar labeled, "How can we help?" Use this when you have a specific issue. Type a short phrase like billing, themes, or orders, and you'll get targeted articles. If you're still exploring or not sure what your problem is called, scroll to Browse by Topic. Here, Shopify organizes guidance into categories so you can discover the right area even without exact keywords. Open a few sections to get familiar with what's available. For example, click Intro to Shopify for setup basics and key concepts. Head into Apps to learn about installing, managing, and troubleshooting app integrations. If your questions are design or storefront related, select Online Store to find guidance on themes, pages, and navigation. For wholesale features, check B2B. Don't worry about clicking into multiple categories. Moving around helps you narrow down the right solution. If a pop-up or panel appears and you need more room, simply click Close to return to the main Help Center view. As you browse, you'll see highlighted prompts or buttons that guide you deeper into help content. Click those to keep moving toward the most relevant answers. When articles don't fully solve your issue, or you prefer direct assistance, look for the Chat with a Human option. Click Chat with a Human to open a live support window. Follow the highlighted on-screen prompts to start the conversation. You'll be asked to describe your issue briefly, which helps route you to the right specialist faster. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Write a clear one-sentence summary of the problem before you start chat. Know the area you've already checked, such as apps or online store. And keep your browser open to any pages related to the issue so you can reference them easily. That's it. Use the Help Center to research, then click Chat with a Human when you're ready for live support.